Prenuptial agreements offer soon-to-be spouses a convenient way to establish each other's respective property rights. But if a spouse later feels that a state's default rules regarding property control or distribution are more advantageous, the spouse may challenge the validity of the agreement. In Reece v. Elliott, the court explored the requirements for enforcing a prenuptial agreement in the face of such a challenge. Prior to their marriage in 1999, Eugene and Bonnie Reece executed a prenuptial agreement, each with the assistance of independent counsel. The agreement stated that each party had pre-existing real and personal property interests that would be classified as separate property after marriage, and that each party relinquished any interest in the other's separate property. The agreement also stated that each party waived any right that he or she may have as a surviving spouse to receive an interest in the other's separate property upon death. A disclosure of each party's property was attached to the agreement. Although the disclosures were comprehensive as to assets, not every asset had a disclosed valuation. Eugene's disclosure included, among other significant assets, 1,687 shares of J.H. Ruth Packing Company stock, value unlisted. After Eugene died intestate or without a will in 2003, Bonnie hoped to invalidate the prenuptial agreement and receive a statutory share of Eugene's estate. She filed for a declaratory judgment that the prenuptial agreement was unenforceable, alleging that because Eugene failed to provide a valuation for the packing company stock, she entered the agreement without full knowledge of Eugene's assets. At trial, Bonnie admitted that although Eugene was generally willing to share financial information when asked, she never inquired about the stock's value before entering the prenuptial agreement and didn't instruct her lawyer to investigate. The trial court held that the prenuptial agreement was valid and enforceable, and therefore dismissed Bonnie's declaratory judgment suit. Bonnie appealed to the Tennessee Court of Appeals.